What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So you know what I haven't done in a while? A portfolio update. I haven't went through my entire portfolio and showed you guys everything that I do have. Now, this is not everything that I do have because I have a Kraken portfolio that I didn't want to list out all of the positions that are there. But pretty much, this is a lot of the things that I do have, probably like 90%. But that Kraken portfolio is something completely different entirely, which I can go through a separate video breaking down the same thing, which I would think would be interesting because with that portfolio, I started out with like $500 and I'm looking to grow it to whatever it can be. I invested into 100 different cryptocurrencies and I wanted to see what those could be from the lower level by market cap all the way to the higher level by market cap. But in this video, I want to take you through exactly what my plan is, right? To make millions in crypto in 2024 and 2025. This is my strategy to see things technically 100x in value and go through exactly what that 100x will be. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are also in the description. Now, also, if you want to start trading with MargeX, you want to start trading with leverage, maybe you see something coming in the short term, then you could trade with leverage over on MargeX with my link in the description. Feel free to click that link and sign up today and, get started trading with up to 100x leverage. So if you see an opportunity where it's a guarantee, it's a no-brainer to go about that strategy. So anyways, I have cryptocurrency across various different platforms, right? I have Coinbase, I have, Kraken, I have KuCoin, I, have a lot of other ones, right? I just can't name them off the top of my head right now. For some reason, I'm blanking. CDC, Coinbase, I think I already said, my MetaMask wallet, things of that nature, right? I have a lot of different platforms. And the total amount, will be in the tens of thousands. And now I know everybody's plan is to 100x their position. So to turn it into 10,000 or 100,000 into a million or 10 million, right? Something like that. And I'm going to take you through exactly what this will be and what my expected highs are. Now, some of them may vary depending on situations that happen, and other ones, you may see grow a lot more depending on how long I hold them and also when my profit target will be. But if we look at where the expected high is, you can see what the outcome would be overall. And hopefully I can get close to that level, right? But I'm not greedy. I'm nowhere near greedy. I'm always looking for not the lower end of it, but definitely something that's more in the middle ground, not overly greedy or anything. So let's take you through my spreadsheet. I'm just going to go right into Excel and we have all the coins that are listed here. And we have kind of what the expected amount is. And we'll go ahead and just hide that really quick and we'll get right back into that. But we have all the different positions that are here that I don't want to go too far, but we have all the different positions that are here, which you have H bar, you have Gala, you have Bonk, you have Anchor, Cass, Soul, and it's all sorted by the highest amount that I do hold based on whatever the price is and all of that. So we'll hide this too so that we can get a simple look at it. So we have the share size and how much I do have, the price that it's at, and what the balance is currently. The most that I'm holding here is Terra Luna Classic, as it did have its rise to 0.00017, which is about $9,000, $9,350 worth. But then next comes in line, which is CRO. I'm holding $8,800. Then Jasmy at $6,500, 88, $6,200. Lucky's Leprechaun, which is 5,000, Grok, which is 3,400, KRL 3,300, Farm 2,400, XRP, XRP, which is what was that, 2,075, Elmo, which is 1,125, Shib this much, you see 900, Atom 700, Soul 700, Cass around 700 as well. Anchor is also around that 600 or so, Bonk 400 or 500, Gala, API3, HBAR, and I believe there's some other things, but I just, for some reason, am blanking and trying to check different places, but I don't really see anything. So this is what I have. Total amount that we would have there for that would be, actually, let me see if I can just hide the screen so I can bring this up. Total amount there would be $53,545.26. So that's how much I have total, is $53,000 in crypto. I have about $12,000 in the stock market, and that's over there. 53,000 in crypto short term. My long term accounts are quite more than that, but you still have, the short term accounts and what we are looking at, especially when it comes to crypto. Crypto is short term and long term, a mixture of everything included. So if I actually unhide one of these, so if B2C, TDE, let me go ahead and unhide this. So unhide this. Oops. We'll unhide everything. We'll unhide the prices. These are expected highs. So the expected highs for Luna could be like 3 cents, for CRO $3 in the form of dollars, obviously. And then Jasmine, you would see $1.50 and so on and so forth. You can see all these different levels that I did place out here. These were quick levels that I did add. I didn't add API 3 or HBAR because I didn't actually check into those and look deep enough into those. But let's just say that we would see API 3, maybe 100x from there. So I would like to see, or let's just say a 10x. We would see $18 of a price point, and then H bar, let's just say it gets to 50 cents, right? I don't know if that's believable. No, that's not. Maybe it's not. 20 cents. I don't know. Right? So we'll definitely get into, wow, I put $20. Let's just say that happens. I know it may end up going a lot further than that for H-bar fans, but I just didn't look into it. And I also don't have a crazy amount into it, enough really to care as much. But we can see here that we have the current high. You have what the expected high is, and this is what the expected ending balance is. So for Lunic, it would be $1.6 million at 3 cents, because it would be about $550,000 per 1 penny if it gets to that point. Now, I believe that Terra Luna Classic can go a lot further. I believe that Terra Luna Classic I will make majority of the money from, as a position that I do have majority of my money into. Now, understand I only invested $43, so I didn't physically invest that much money. My profit would be insane, and my profit is already insane. But we look at CRO, and that's going to be the next in line, where you have 8,800, and I would get about $264,000 from that at a level of $3. Now, again, all of these will vary depending on my profit taking strategy, and most likely I will have less than that. But I'm cool with that. I'm okay with having less than that. And as it goes along, I expect to gain even a passive income from that. Jasmine coin, 1.5 million at $1.50. I believe that will be the case long term. Short term, I'll be taking profit as time goes on. So I'm really not expecting that. ADA, it's going to be about $50,000 up to $5. I do believe that's going to go a lot further. So I just wanted to put something conservative there, but I do believe it's going to go a lot further and be, one of the top 5 cryptocurrencies that's there. Then you have Lucky's LP, $35,000. You have Grok at $1.2 million. I do believe that's going to find a way to get to $4 worth, which is around a $20 billion market cap for this coin or this token. That's what I'm thinking. But, we can always see different levels. I know it's going to go a lot further than where it is currently. If we look at Krill, I believe I'm going to gain $120,000, Farmcoin $142,000, XRP $66,000, Elmo $11,000, Shiba Inu $18,000. I think it can go further than that, but it really all depends on what happens with the burns, honestly. But then you have Atom, which is 5,200. Soul, which is 5,000. I'm not expecting a lot from that. I just wanted to be a part of it. Cass, $16,000. Anchor, $41,000. Bonk, $8,000. Gala, $4,000. API, $1,000, and so on and so forth, right? So total that I would be gaining is $5.2 million over this lifetime, basically seeing this 100x strategy that we all want to see. We all want to see it grow to 100x. That's where I believe it's going to go. Understand that some of these expected highs may vary, right? Depending on what happens with burns, what happens with, releasing escrow, what happens with overall supplies and things of that nature. So it may get more aggressive, and it may also get less aggressive. So I really wanted to break this down and show you guys my kind of 100x strategy and exactly where I see things going. But again, there's so much speculation and there's so many things that are variables that you honestly don't know exactly how much you're going to have. I would be fine accepting literally 20% of that. I would be fine accepting literally 10% of it, which would be like $500,000. I would be fine with that. You know, after seeing all of this and only seeing a 10x return, that's still a 10x return that a lot of people wouldn't see. I still believe we're really early in crypto. So if you are getting into things, I think there's a lot of things that, you know, you want to be a part of that could absolutely blow up in the next 10 years, whether you're talking about Sol, you're talking about XRP, or you're even talking about Bitcoin and the ETFs that are coming with it. You have to understand what will be more of a long-term play, what will be more of a short-term play. And there are a lot in there that may be short-term plays. And I'm looking to invest more into the long-term plays as we see some of those short-term plays like really play out well. So guys, let me know what your 100x plan is. I don't have a breakdown on all different coins, but if you want me to do a breakdown on your coin, feel free to go over to Patreon, ask away, and we can try and get something established. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out Margex and start trading with Margex, feel free to do so with the link down below. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.